running stitch. Bring your needle up at the beginning of your line. Move your needle to the left or right of where it first came up. Push the needle back down through the fabric. Under your fabric, move the needle further along the line at a distance that is roughly the same length as the first stitch. Bring it up through your fabric. Continue this way along your line, trying to maintain equal length in both the stitches and the distance between them.